This is all that the customers had to work with when we first started designing their patio. It was an existing aggregate space, didn't serve much purpose, wasn't pretty to look at, only had enough space for a few chairs. We've completely transformed this area using Teco Blocks Blue 60 HD2 pavers smooth in beige cream. So you can see we have a few different areas here now that they can work with. This still serves as the main gathering space over here. What we've done is we've enclosed these steps here to make it more of a hidden space, allow people to be able to kind of have their own gathering area separate from where everyone else might be. We also have some new beautiful outdoor furniture courtesy of Summer Classics here in Richmond. They do great work as well. Finally, over here, we did a small decorative rock bed that serves a couple purposes. So you can kind of see out in the yard here, there's a lot of drainage, a lot of runoff water that if we didn't have anything separating it, which end up splashing back onto the pavers. So we want to have a way to avoid that. So our solution was to add this small rock bed and be able to serve as a filter between the patio and yard to make sure nothing's going to splash up on the pavers and make them dirty. It also just kind of serves as a nice visual barrier separating these two areas and kind of ties it all in together. So this is one of the newer areas where we started to extend the patio further out, giving this homeowner a little bit more usable space for entertaining. One thing that we didn't want to do is just keep it a bland rectangular square shape. So we did a lot of curves in this area just to give it a little bit more character. We also wanted to make sure we gave enough space off this staircase here to be able to comfortably have a table where they can also sit out, enjoy, eat when the weather's a little bit nicer to do so. Lastly, no entertaining space is complete without a dumpfire. We still took a different approach into this area. We wanted to do a different style, so we used Teco Blocks Hexa pavers, still in beige cream to keep with the theme of the patio, but really wanted to give this area its own unique look. We also did another seating wall around it. You could see some lights underneath as well. That way at nighttime when people are out here actually using the fire pit, it adds a brand new aesthetic. It looks great, especially with this fire pit now, matching the colors of the wall block. And you can see we did another ring around the fire pit of that decorative rock to match what we did over on the rock bed on the other side of the patio. Again, just to tie all this in together, makes it look as one. That's all we have here for today. It was a pleasure working with these homeowners. Thank you to them for allowing us to come back out and share with you guys what this project looked like. Very excited to hear that they've already been enjoying it, been able to host some parties, have some memories with their families made. Can't wait to do more like these in the future. If you yourself are interested in a patio like this or have thoughts of your own, please make sure to give us a call or reach out to us on any of our socials, and we would love to speak with you about your next project.